Deepak, myself Singita, and today we are at India Expo Center at Mart where Bharat Shiksha Expo 2025 has organized. We have with us visitor school, Cambridge School. So let's talk about their experience visiting here. First of all, ma'am, welcome to 10 News.
Thank you.
You have visited this Bharat Shiksha Expo. What inspired you to take your students here?
Actually, there are so many new courses coming up, and here we can explore at many colleges at one place. Otherwise you have to go to different websites, and it takes a lot of time. For children, they're at one single place, having many websites, colleges, and the best thing is there are so many people, counselors to explain them about everything. So I feel that is the best thing for the children to get the knowledge about what is happening around, how many new websites, universities, colleges are coming up. So that is good for their future and all. They collect the data.
We have with us some students. Let's talk about their experience. You have visited this Bharat Shiksha Expo. What inspired you a lot and what you loved most?
I actually, when I heard about it, I wanted to know more about the courses, and when I actually got to know about some colleges and some streams that I actually didn't even know existed. My favorite part was where there was an activity with a 3D printer, so we actually got to operate it and we learned a lot about how it actually functions.
Which technology, innovation or educational display you loved the most and inspired you a lot?
I think the robots at the Sharda University were really good, and there were also a lot of dresses made in one of that for fashion designing. I think it was really.
What inspired you the most here?
All the mannequins with the fashion designing clothes and everything, they were really nice, and I